NEC 314.16 requires that every box have enough cubic inch volume to hold all the conductors, devices, and fittings inside it. The code gives you a specific number for each item. Add them up. If your total exceeds the box volume, it's a violation. Table 314.16b(1) is your reference. Every conductor gets assigned a cubic inch value based on its wire gauge. A number 14 wire is 2.0 cubic inches. A number 12 is 2.25. A number 10 is 2.5. These numbers are fixed. Memorize them or tab the table. Here's where most people miss it. You're not just counting conductors. NEC 314.16b tells you to count 6 categories, and you have to know all of them for the exam. Conductors. Each one that enters the box and terminates or splices counts once. A conductor that passes through without a splice also counts once, not twice. And pigtails that originate inside the box do not count at all. Internal clamps. If the box has internal cable clamps, all clamps together count as one conductor, sized by the largest conductor in the box. Support fittings. Each luminaire stud or hickey counts as one conductor, sized by the largest conductor in the box. Devices. Each switch or receptacle counts as 2 conductors, sized by the largest conductor connected to it. Equipment grounding conductors. All EGC wires combined count as one conductor, sized by the largest ground in the box. Terminal blocks. If a terminal block is present in the box, each assembly counts as one conductor, sized by the largest conductor terminated to it. This one is new in the 2023 NEC. Let's run a real calculation. 2 12-2 cables enter a single gang switch box, a feed cable, and a switch leg. 4 conductors outside the box, 2 hots, 2 neutrals. The pigtail to the switch stays inside and does not count. Also in the box, 2 equipment grounds, 1 single pole switch, internal cable clamps. Step 1. Conductors. 4 number 12 wires at 2.25 each, 9.00 cubic inches. Step 2. Clamps. All as one, 2.25. Step 3. Switch. 2 counts at 2.25, 4.50. Step 4. Grounds. All as one, 2.25. Total required, 18.00 cubic inches. Now you know what the box needs to hold. You also need to know what the box can hold. For standard metal boxes, Table 314.16a lists cubic inch volume by box type and dimensions. For non-metallic boxes, the volume is stamped inside by the manufacturer. That's required by 314.16a(2). Back to our example. An 18 cubic inch single gang box. You're exactly at the limit. Pass, but 0 margin. A 14 cubic inch box, 18 doesn't fit. Fail. On the exam, they give you the box type or dimensions. Use Table 314.16a to find the volume. Compare it to your fill total. That's the full calculation. One exam tip before you go. When the question gives you mixed wire gauges, use Table 314.16b(1) for each size separately and add them. Don't average, don't round. Exact table values every time. Table 314.16b(1) is on the free NEC Quick Reference guide linked in the description. Download it, tab it, take it to the exam.